You are watching Sports Today, and it's the end of 2021, a year that has been fantastic for Indian sport. We had an unprecedented Olympics with 7 medals and then some outstanding performances on the cricket field as well. I'm joined by my colleague Rahul Rawat and Siddhant here, and we're going to be looking at standout performances of 2021. We have to pick 5. At the moment, we have multiple options. Let's quickly jot down some options before we start fighting.
I'll write the options here. You will have to prompt me.
Okay.
You want me to write all the options?
Write all the options, yeah. So I suggest you write, because everyone will agree, Neeraj Chopra and Gaba Win may be the contender for top 2. Okay. So just write them. We won't discuss them now. Let's see which reaches number 1. What do you say?
For sure, Gaba Win will definitely feature in your top 2 standard performances for the year. And Neeraj Chopra, of course, the first gold after 2008 and first medal in athletics, in this good 120 years.
Fight is going to be for the number 3,
4,
4,
5.
5. That is going to be exciting. So you've got PV Sindhu's double medals. Okay. You've got Mirabai Chanu winning a silver medal in weightlifting. Hockey. Srikanth. A world championship. First Indian male to win a silver medal. In fact, to feature in a final. Nobody has done that before. Hockey bronze.
What about our wrestlers?
Yeah. Please put.
Ravi Dayya, silver.
Dayya. Yes, I think in contention. Anything else you can think? Some might say the England series win. Just put it as an option. England series win in cricket.
Can you call it a series win?
Yeah, good point. It is still that series not complete. But Virat said that day series win, so I'm going with it.
England lead
England lead. He said. What else can be here? Chennai, CSK winning the IPL after the poor season they had before that. Everyone wrote them off.
Everybody wrote them off, and somehow still MS Dhoni's men came back strongly. Dad's army, as they were called, and then they eventually won it.
Any other options?
I
think these are your best options. Like if you look at the entire year.
So let's start with the number 5 spot, huh? What would you go with? So see, let's to make it simpler so you don't miss out. And we are 3 selectors, all our vote counts. Does hockey come in? Does hockey come in your top 5?
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
For me,
for sure.
Okay, now will it come in at 3? Will it come in at 3?
See, I think we should first debate on top 2.
No, I'm saying, top 2, to reveal the top 2, we know it's going to be the fight there. So we will fight about that later. I'm saying 3, 4, 5 is let's watch concentrating. We've all agreed that hockey should be in top 5, right? So now, do you think there is anyone which is better than hockey to take the third spot? Anyone else that you would put ahead of hockey?
I think hockey has to be your number 3 spot because we won the bronze medal for an Olympic medal after 41 years.
Now, and the love that India has for hockey and the pedigree we had.
And not to forget the women's team also.
Probably that is, the love that everybody has for hockey.
Yeah.
It's been a traditional sport that we once used to rule.
You were there, so that people don't know he was there in Tokyo.
I think that is one of the reasons why you are maybe eager to put it hockey.
Yeah, it's a love for the sport, and also see in terms of competition where Indian hockey had fallen. I went to Rio. That time you failed to get into
2012 when we were so poor at the London Olympics that we finished 12th.
Yeah.
So for me, the achievement that we had in hockey this year was phenomenal and definitely deserves that number 3 spot.
Hockey,
let's put hockey 3.
But this
revival of the sport.
But yes, I think that's the
key word.
Yes,
revival
of hockey, because I would also want to include the effort of the women's team.
Yeah, but you'll have to put the men's team now because it's the bronze medal. See, medal is a men's hockey. Men's hockey.
Okay.
See, you miss out on a medal, right? So, men's hockey. Kudos to the women's team also. Made us feel very, very proud.
We all thought they could win. Very close game.
Now let's do 4 and 5. What do you guys think? This is going to be interesting. 4 and 5.
Mine would be PV Sindhu for her second Olympic medal.
because of 2 Olympic medals.
Yes.
I'm 50-50 on PV Sindhu. What about you?
I
You
think
going
I'll
100%?
I'll actually agree with Rahul Bhai. I think PV Sindhu deserves that 4th spot because after Sushil Kumar, she's now the most successful. She's actually the most successful female Olympian all over.
Yeah.
Like in terms of coming from a country, 2 medals, silver in Rio and bronze at the Tokyo Games. Nobody has achieved that feat before. So Sindhu.
I might have a second thought actually.
I'll tell you why I was saying 50-50 on that is because it may feature in my top 5. At 4, it was 50-50 because she bettered this performance in Rio. As in, she won the silver, so this time it was a step down. But I know what you're saying. 2 medals back to back. Sushil Kumar also achieved it, which was phenomenal. So in that case, also she's coming in second. But it will be in my top 5. Whether it's at 5 or 4, I don't know. Who else can you argue here who can be ahead of Sindhu?
I think, in fact, as I said, I'm having second thoughts as far as PV Sindhu is concerned.
So who would you push?
Because we are picking standout performances of 2021. If you want to, go into the past, that she's won a silver in Rio, and now because even though it's a bronze medal, but I'm going to it's her second medal, but I'm still I would either put Mirabai or Ravi Daya ahead of her.
What about Kidambi Srikanth?
Yeah, actually I would have gone with the Kidambi Srikanth because this is something that no one has done before. Here in this case, what PV Sindhu has done has happened twice. One, she's done it as in a medal in Olympics, and then Saina Nehwal also got a medal in Olympics. But what Srikanth has done, no Indian male player had done before, that is play the final of a world championship. I know the argument against that would be that it's a depleted field.
It was a depleted field, and chances of Srikanth doing well there, well, they were bright, but he's the first Indian to play the finals of a world badminton championship. Nobody else before this had done this, but because it was a depleted field, a lot of top players were not there. Victor Axelsen, the top ranked badminton player, he was already knocked out by the eventual champion in the very first round. So that is one of the reasons that I'll have my arguments as far as putting Srikanth ahead of
but the world
Mirabai
number
and
1
Ravi
getting
Daya.
knocked out, that's part of sport, right?
No, that's fine, but
that you don't see.
But the competition already, the field of course was depleted, and the remaining competition that perhaps could have been was also out.
Okay, so I'll go with Sindhu. I'll agree.
In terms of, you are going with Sindhu.
Sindhu now, yeah. After listening to certain arguments,
But I'm saying either
you're going with
Mirabai
Chanu.
or
No, why I'm not going with Mirabai or Ravi Daya. Mirabai also because I know she's got the silver, but
what she has done, that is also unprecedented.
Karnam Malleshwari got a bronze,
She
so
got
we
a
got a
bronze.
medal
2000
in
That was 21
No,
years
but I
back.
said she had got a bronze, and sometime you were saying that not look at past. Sometime you have to take, for example, men's hockey. We looked at the past.
41
now.
years.
It's not just the bronze you're looking; it's the history that you carried, the
This is
burden of
41
history.
years. See, what you were saying, Srikanth, what he has done is unprecedented. He has won a silver medal, but in the past we have won in terms of men's badminton. We won a bronze medal. Prakash Padukone won that bronze medal.
Women's, so we won gold.
We won gold in 2019 by PV Sindhu. But this is unprecedented.
No,
in
but weightlifting you got a. I said in women's only. Na Karnam Malleshwari got a bronze.
No,
Hey,
irrespective
here in the men's section, it is the first time someone has played a final. But yeah, I mean either way you could look at that argument.
He's won a silver medal eventually.
Yeah.
So I'm saying she
has
also
also
played
won
she also played a final. At the end, in the end, it was just.
Okay, so let's have a vote. We've heard arguments. Who do you vote for? I'll go with PV Sindhu.
I'll go with Mirabai Chanu.
You're the
Sindhu, as I said from the start, I feel first female Olympian
PV Sindhu then it is.
to win, first female Indian Olympian to win 2 medals at the Olympics.
PV Sindhu. Now comes the 5th. So now I think the fight. Okay, firstly, I am eliminating. For me, CSK, I'm eliminating.
Fine.
Because Indian. So are you all in agreement?
Yeah.
Because we have very few. So just cut it out. I'll just cut that option out. England lead also for me. I'm ready to give it up on that option. Are you?
Because I feel
Could be your,
because it could
standout performance next year.
next year.
Next year.
Because
Done.
In case, but for that to happen, you will have to win that
the
test
series.
match.
Now, hockey we've already taken, so you can cut it out.
Yes.
So we know, I'm just seeing the options left. If you cut hockey out, cut hockey out. Now PV Sindhu is done. So if you could cut PV Sindhu out. Now this we know is going to. Now we are left with Mirabai, Shrikant, Ravi Dahiya. Okay, I am ready to give up on Shrikant also after the argument.
Which is a valid point because he said the field was depleted, the top ranked player wasn't there.
Okay, you already have said that. So
We completely agree his point of view, like he opened our eyes, as they say.
Okay.
So Shrikant, I think you can remove because we don't think
now
one of these two,
one
Mirabai
of the,
Chanu.
these will come at number
And
5.
Ravi Dahiya.
Let's have voting for that. Will you go with Mirabai? Okay, if I was to take that option, I'm going to go with Ravi Dahiya. I'll tell you why. If you saw this very closely, because you're talking about a depleted field, here also the field was depleted in the sense there were 2 Chinese weightlifters
Yes.
which were far better. Only one was allowed to compete because that's the rule of weightlifting.
Exactly.
Correct.
That's a rule.
But I'm saying, now I'm looking at the world's best. See, in a world championship, where you can have multiple, weightlifters participate in one country. So she's won the silver, but is she the second best lifter in the world
She
at the
is the
moment?
second best.
No, but see, world championship comes into it. Where you see again, why
See,
should it
I'll-
hamper a country
No, I-
that 2 better
Fine.
weightlifters are there from there?
She's been a world championship in the past.
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, we didn't do the standout performances that year because Sports Today didn't exist at that time. Now, you mentioned that because every country is allowed to field 4 weightlifters in each, men's and women's division categories. So, I would still go with the
Okay, you're going with Mirabai Chanu. I'm going with Ravi Dahiya.
because
Okay,
you know,
sure.
because in one particular weight category, as far as wrestling is concerned, you can field just one athlete, one wrestler from each country. That's
Absolutely.
exactly what has happened with Mirabai also in weightlifting.
But I'm just saying in terms of there is no better wrestler that missed out because of that. In this case, there was clear China had the 2 best weightlifters in that category.
Okay, I have another point
Would have
in
been
favor.
clear cut.
I have another point
but they
in
couldn't
favor
come.
of Ravi Dahiya. If any of you followed the Olympics closely,
He was
you
there.
were at the bout. You remember how he was trailing 2-9 behind?
Yes.
And how he came back, how he did not let go of his opponent even though he was biting his arm off.
Yeah.
For me, that victory, because I remember we were also live on TV, and Ravi Dahiya's performance in that match was simply outstanding. Like, as an Indian, it made me feel very proud of what he pulled off, because he was trailing 2-9. At 10, he would have lost the game. Like the moment it would have crossed at 10, you thought he was going to lose, and then that victory by fall, he did not let go of his opponent even in those dying seconds when people thought that maybe Ravi Dahiya is going to lose. So that recovery that he made from being 2-9 down, I feel
Compelling argument.
I feel Ravi Dahiya deserves that number 5th spot for me.
Okay, 2:1. You're now.
2:1. I've been outvoted, even though I would have wanted. In fact,
We'll vote in your favor for 1 and 2.
if
Whatever you're going with.
if I was given a choice, I would have put both Mirabai and Ravi Dahiya together at
Because
number 5.
no,
but
together.
But we have
that's not the choice. So
Ravi Dahiya is 5 for us.
majority wins, and Mirabai Chanu unfortunately will have to
Misses out.
finish 6.
Yeah.
Not that.
Number 5 is Ravi Dahiya's silver medal. Okay, now let me take your opinion as to the top 2. Listen, we kept top 2 in Neeraj Chopra and the Gaba win as our top 2. I don't think there'll be any debate in terms of this being the top 2. Let's hear arguments from both sides why either one should be number 1. You have an argument for who should be number 1 in this, Neeraj and Gaba? You're going with Neeraj?
Neeraj Chopra.
Why, if you could tell our viewers?
We often discuss who's the greatest athlete in the country. A lot of people would say PV Sindhu. A lot of people, because she's won 2 Olympic medals. A lot of people would say Sushil Kumar. He also has won 2 medals in 2008 and of course 2012 in London. Now, often, a lot of people say, he's won 2 medals. But for me, I think when you look at the medals tally, if a country has won 100 silver medals, 200 bronze medals, and not a single gold, compared to a country that has won just 1 gold medal and no bronze, no silver, the medals tally will show the one with that 1 gold medal would be right there at the top, or ahead of. So that's what I think. And for me, being there and
First man ever to do it. Right?
exactly unprecedented, can't say unprecedented athletics, to be very honest. I never thought. Actually, I never thought that
In your lifetime.
in my lifetime I'll be able to see that moment. I'm being very honest. And Gaba, yes, we had that team.
Let him give. Can you give an argument for Gaba? You gave your argument for Neeraj Chopra.
Yeah,
Also unprecedented, huh?
Gaba,
All the
I agree.
goals.
Neeraj Chopra, first medal in athletics, everything after Norman Pritchard, everything is there. But that Gaba victory, for me, that was inspirational stuff. India were down and out. We kept losing players. If you remember, we
Yeah.
kept losing players throughout that series. No Virat Kohli, no Ashwin, no. There's so many injuries. People like Siraj were there. And then to pull off a victory in the decisive test and in the manner we did it. Rishabh Pant scoring those winning runs and the way we fought on that last day. It was beautiful to watch. I remember sitting in the newsroom jumping at every boundary that was hit because every time you're like, okay, now
You're not jumping for Neeraj.
I already knew the moment he threw that first javelin. I knew because the way he showed that. You remember his
Even he
shout.
knew after that.
He knew after because he did not even look at that javelin. He just looked back and like started like, yeah, I'm pumped, and he thought he's gonna win. But that Gava victory, because breaching that Australian fortress for like what 40 odd years.
And they
no,
taunted us.
Yeah.
Come to Gaba, mate.
No,
Huh?
come to Gaba, mate. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Tim Payne's was. So in that sense,
But
that
was 2018, 19, if I'm not wrong.
No,
Yeah.
no,
This time also?
Yeah, this time also. No, when Ashwin was Ashwin was
Ashwin,
batting. Yeah, yeah,
when they were
that time
batting
also.
and trying to save that
I
test.
must have a bad, poor memory.
No, but
Even that time and even this time it happened that they were saying that you come to.
But
Gaba.
you know, a lot of people actually, as far as this Brisbane victory is concerned, a lot of people say because we, players dropped one after the other because of course of injuries. But if you remember 2001, the famous that Eden Gardens test, in fact, the entire series, that was also a similar situation. We didn't have somebody like Anil Kumble in that series. A lot of players were actually missing. Rahul Sangvi, if I'm not wrong, Rahul Sangvi was.
but still you had
You didn't have around 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 of your frontline players.
Sure. But still, I mean that you're playing at home, whatever said and done. I know the odds were stacked against you, and you had a great batting lineup also at that time. Now here, your best batsman was also
But
out.
here you had a
in,
great bowling attack.
Yeah, no, I agree. But see again, in Australia is something else. Whatever you say,
No, I
you
get
know,
your
and
point.
in Brisbane, look at what
Brisbane
is
or-
happening to England.
Brisbane or Eden
Get
Gardens?
an idea.
Brisbane or Eden Gardens?
Whoa, very tough.
See,
Yeah,
when
very
you
tough.
say that it's
Very-
tough.
very tough
If-
choice.
No, but anyway, that is 2001. Now we're talking about this year, yeah.
2001, 20 years later, 2021. Now let's see.
Yeah.
So I
Gaba
think
and Neeraj
because
Chopra.
You said
both
Neeraj
are-
Chopra. I said Gaba.
Gaba.
Now
Both are compelling arguments, and I was a bit confused. But I'm going with Neeraj Chopra just because that moment, a medal in athletics and a gold medal. The late Milkha Singh used to say that I wish in my lifetime I get to see the Indian flag going. He never got an opportunity, but good on Neeraj to have dedicated that medal.
Yeah, he actually said that.
Please, Neeraj.
So Neeraj Chopra.
It is number 1. These are our top 5 best performances by Indian athletes in the year gone by 2021. Here's hoping that 2022 proves to be an even better year for Indian sports. And if you want to be part of that journey, do join us on Sports Today. We bring you the latest news, updates and analysis. So subscribe to Sports Today.